Hey y'all, we're here today with Meadow at the Youth Rimfire class. How old are you, Meadow?
7.
Are you having a good time today?
Yes.
What are you learning?
About shooting.
Alright, we're going to give a little demonstration on what you've learned today, correct?
Correct.
Are you ready to shoot?
Yes.
Show us what you got, girl.
Take your time. Good smooth trigger squeeze. Take your time. Take your time.
One hit, one down.
Take your time. Good shot. Do it again.
Two shots, two down. The bowling pins are falling, folks.
Oh, good one. Well,
3 shots, 3 down.
Take your time.
4 shots, 4 down. 5 shots, 5 down. And that's how we do it here at Duncan Gun Shop, folks. If you want to have your youngins come and shoot with us, make sure you check in because we're having youth classes weekly.
Good job.
And here's Jason, our instructor. Bye, everybody.